The Leaving Cert, it probably does feel like an Everest, you could say, but in 5 years' time you look back and you'll almost forget what result you got. So just relax, take it easy, you're going to smash it anyway. My name is Adam. I recently became the youngest Irish person to summit Mount Everest. Well, there's actually a lady who came into my school named Jenny Copeland. She climbed Everest recently. So kind of sitting back of the room in awe of her, kind of hearing her story, I was like, yeah, that's definitely what I want to do. It's strange, like you train for 3 years for something, and this is every day I was waking up thinking about Everest and knowing what you're going to do, and now it's kind of like, right, what's next? What can you train for next? And I know it's very cringe, but like that, look, you only have one life, so give it a good go. The Leaving Cert was tough anyway. It's such a stressful time because you think that everything comes down to this in life. You really do, like. But yeah, look, you'll get through it so quickly. It's funny, you're so stressed, but then it's over in 2 weeks, and then you feel like the weight's off your shoulders. But look, it's just about giving it your best go. And at the end of the day, you've done all the work at this stage, haven't you, really? There's so many different courses out there. I didn't get my first choice at all, and look, I wouldn't say I've done amazing in it, but it kind of works out the way it's meant to work out. That's the thing, you kind of think, oh, I have to get this, I have to get this, and you could be disappointed if you don't get a course, but then you realise in a year's time that, oh, this is exactly where I'm meant to be.